So Kim, is there a new rule in our house? You pack it, you carry it.
Sure, if that's what you want to do.
Hey, good morning. Dave and Kim here, and we are at the Lomphraya Ferry parking because we're going to Koh Tao today. We're going to be out there for 3 days. Today's Friday, so we'll be out there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday learning how to scuba dive. The thing that Kim is most looking forward to ever in her whole life. Right, Kim?
Not so much, but okay.
So I took her snorkeling once, and as soon as she was done snorkeling, she said she loved it and wanted to do it again. Took her jet skiing once. As soon as she was done, she said, I love it, I want jet skis. We went skydiving once, and that's a whole nother story, but as soon as she landed, we had to go up and do it again. So I really believe the next 3 days are gonna be the exact same thing. So we'll see, and see you in a bit. So if you've never been here before, I'm at the Lomphraya Pier in Koh Samui. When we booked our scuba tickets, it included the voucher to get to Koh Tao. Told us it was at Lomphraya MaeNam, but interestingly enough, when you Google it, you don't find it. So I'm glad that he sent me a link to Google Maps, because the only Lomphraya that comes up is over on Nathan. So you want to be careful, make sure you go to the right pier. But there is a Lomphraya pier here in MaeNam, and on Google it was MaeNam Samui. It was actually the name of the location. So maybe that'll help you. And then once you get here, it's pretty obvious. Convenience stores, parking, looks like some restaurants, and of course, the ferry. Hi, Kim. So it took about 20 to 25 minutes to get to Koh Phangan, and now we are headed to Koh Tao, which is, I'd say, about 20 miles north of here. So I thought we were getting off, but the boat's pulling out. Interesting. So after a little bit of a walk, we have arrived. Hey puppy. So we just checked into our room and we'll start our scuba training here in a second. They're waiting for us. So as soon as Kim changes, we will be on our way there. But check it out, we're like right on the beach. And that's our room right there. So we're working on getting gear. That's Saeed right there. Say hello world, say hello to Saeed.
Hey guys.
Hi Saeed. And Kim's trying on her fins. What are you doing, Kim?
Shimmying. Like putting on a pair of pantyhose.
Or a pair of jeans. Oh, Kim, you might need a bigger suit.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Kim's on her third wetsuit. First one was too small. She wasn't too big. It was too small. And the second one was too big. She was swimming in it, although it looked really comfortable.
This one might be just right.
And now she's going to be just right in this one. So right now we're doing all the paperwork with Saeed, Mamedov, and Kimberly, Dion. Woo-hoo. So let's just summarize what we did. We arrived here. Actually, we took the ferry. We left at 8 o'clock. We got here at 11. We walked over here to Scuba Birds, which was about a 5-minute walk. When we arrived, we checked into our room, which I already showed you, which is super nice, you know, for where we are and what it is. Also, that room is included in our costs. And then we went downstairs and we got fitted for gear. And then we did some tank setup, how to attach the buoyancy device to the tank, how to attach the regulator, how to make sure the buoyancy device actually inflates and deflates, to check the gauge to make sure it's steady, breathing, making sure it's not bouncing around, stuff like that. And when we took it all apart, how to pack up our gear to put into a bag. Then we filled out some paperwork regarding physical conditions and contact information. They just emailed us all our e-manuals, so we've got some tests to do. We have 1 hour and 15 minutes. We're gonna go get something to eat, and then we have to be at the pier at 12:45, which is about 1 hour and 15 minutes from now. So, you got anything to say, Kim?
Nope.
Kim's pretty excited because we're gonna do shallow water pool simulated. We're actually taking a boat, but it's shallow water skills, and then we're doing in open water. So we'll be over our head a little later today. I don't think we're gonna actually go very far underwater. They're gonna save that for tomorrow where we go, I can't remember, he said like 14 meters. And then the next day we'll do our 18-meter dive. So we'll see you in a bit. So it's super hot out. and we decided to stop at the first restaurant we walked past after we decided it was super hot out. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I got a chicken fried rice, French fries. Kim got the green chicken curry, and we each got a passion fruit smoothie shake. So I'm looking forward to it. You too?
Oh yeah.
Start with a few French fries. What do you got there, Kim?
I have green chicken curry.
And some rice, and a passion fruit smoothie on its way.
I'm good.
So I already took a taste of my passion fruit smoothie, but go for it, Kim. Tell me they don't use some passion fruit in there.
That's one of the best ones I've had.
That's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
So there's one thing that I can say almost without doubt for Kim and I in Thailand. It doesn't matter where we stop for food, it's always good. Would you agree with that, Kim?
Always fresh and good.
Always fresh. Look
So
at
good.
my rice. It is amazing. And this was just a hole-in-the-wall place that we ordered chicken fried rice, green chicken curry, French fries, and happened to get the best passion fruit smoothie shakes we've ever gotten in our life.
So good.
It just gets better and better. So I'm sure there's hundreds of good places to eat here, but I will show you. That's it right there. And we're just up the hill from the pier, which is right down there. Ooh, it's hot.
Spot.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Yes.
How long are you guys here with the boxes follow?
Kim testing her gear before we head out.
Because you see it gets hot. Sometimes it happens underwater. We don't have to go up to the surface. We just wash it inside underwater for one moment and we continue our dive. We keep seeing the things there.
So hey there, Kim and I just completed our first session. And our first session was a session that you would typically do in a swimming pool. But boy, I'm gonna tell you, doing it out here, look at this backdrop, right? Doing it out here in Koh Tao with probably 80 feet of visibility with real coral, real fish, swim to the beach, a beautiful beach. Just what an amazing place to have scuba lessons. So that was lesson number one. Lesson number two, we're open water next. So we moved the boat, we have about a 20-minute break, and we're going out in the open water. Let me just tell you some of the things they had us do. So give me 1 second. One of the things they had us do was fill our mask up with water. And I had anxiety over that. And then he said, you're gonna take your mask off and you're pretty much gonna sleep for a minute. And you're just gonna breathe, and I'll nudge you when it's time to put your mask full of water back on. And I really had anxiety. But let me tell you, I didn't have to go first. She did. And when she did it with no problems, I was like, well, I have to do it now. So
bring it.
yeah, I was like, bring it. Yeah, I was like, no. I was like, shit. So I did it, and that's it. So we'll be sharing a few more things as we go. See you in a bit. So hey there, first day's coming to an end. We did our shallow water skills testing, and then we did our first open water dive, and we loved it, didn't we, Kim?
Sure.
And we're really tired. Once everything was going good, though.
Oh,
Hey, look! Say hi, guys! Look at Americans! Americans, they do exist. There's Brooke, and there's Cassidy and Rachel. Rachel. Yeah. So, you guys gonna be famous now. So, Kim's concerned how she looks. Like we've been out on a boat all day, and she's gonna. So, if you don't like the way she looks, just comment right now. But we just came to a restaurant that was recommended to us, and they told us it was right across from the Scuba Club. And he said it was the No Name Restaurant. Well, I thought the name of the restaurant was the No Name Restaurant. Well, come to find out,
no name on the restaurant.
there's no name on the restaurant. So it's not like it's the No Name Restaurant. It's a restaurant with no
No
name.
name on it.
But we got somtam, which is papaya salad. We got a medium spicy. I got Penang chicken. Kim got cashew chicken, a couple waters, and we'll show you pictures in a couple seconds.
Yeah.
A couple minutes. See you in a bit. So I ordered spicy papaya salad, well, medium spicy, so let's see how it goes. Get some of that juice going. If you judged a meal by its appearance, what is your impression of that meal right there, Kim?
It looks perfect.
It does look perfect.
It looks like moderately healthy as well.
Is it awesome? Last bit of dinner here is Penang chicken with rice. I don't even have to tell you how good it's going to be. So, see you in a bit. So, hey, we just finished eating. You saw what we had. We had papaya salad. We had cashew chicken. We had Penang chicken. We had rice. We're trying to. We're going to make you famous.
Yeah.
And we had 2 waters and a soda water, and our total cost was $8.44. So let that sink in. We had 3 plates of food, rice, 2 big waters. Look at the size of these waters, and a soda water. So take care, and we'll see you in the morning. I thought you weren't going to see us again tonight, but Kim can't walk by a 7-Eleven without walking in and buying cookies, so that's where she's going. I thought this was pretty cool. The stages of a coconut on a palm tree. So check that out. There's some big ones. Then there's some slightly smaller ones. Then there's some smaller ones. And look, they start as, there's some smaller ones right there. They almost look like big acorns. And then they start right there as like little buds. Pretty cool. So hey there. We're starting day 2 of our PADI open water dive certification. Our boat takes off at 12:45. We'll be doing 2 dives today. I think one will be a open water skills, and then the other will be an open water dive. So that's what we're looking forward to. Kim and I did a lot of our online test taking stuff today, and all that went well. So we'll finish that up the next day or so, and we'll be good to go. So stick with us. I did bring the GoPro, but I'm not focusing so much on taking underwater footage during the training. So at some point in the future, we'll probably have footage, but I did bring the GoPro just in case something really cool was to happen. We'd at least have the opportunity to get it, although the camera's going to be on the boat and I'm going to be in the water, so we may not see anything, but we'll tell you about it if it happens. So we'll see in a bit. We just had a fantastic lunch. We had chicken pad thai, cashew chicken, papaya salad, rice, 3 soda waters. Total cost was 310 baht, which is a little over $8. I'm gonna turn the camera because that's where we're headed, down to the bottom of the hill. Gotta be there at 12:45. And we'll see you in a bit. Hey everybody, that's Lena from Austria.
Hello.
And she is our third. And it's me and Kim and Lena. And I'm gonna tell you, Lena, you might almost think she's been scuba diving before.
Yeah, she's like a natural.
Me and Kim are down there and they make Lena go first a lot, and looks like she kind of knows what she's doing a lot.
Yeah.
So that's why they make her go first.
But I've never done
So
my first time.
this is really your first time.
It's amazing. You do so good. So good.
So she is with somebody that scuba dives.
Yeah.
Then, but you've never done this before. Wow, amazing. So here's where we are now. So we did our skills dive right over there, and look, there's the world famous right there, Saeed Mamedov, the best dive instructor in all of Thailand, maybe Southeast Asia.
Maybe the world.
Maybe the world.
knows?
If you Google his name, you'll find out he's the best in the world. But for now, we'll just give him Koh Tao. So we were just over there doing our skills, and now we're in deeper water, and we're gonna do a fun dive, huh? Yes, sir.
Let's go for it.
All right, let's see you later. See you later.
Yeah.
See you in a bit. Bye. So we just finished our second dive of day 2. We did a few skill tests. We filled our masks halfway and cleared our masks, and we also displaced our regulator, and then we had to find it by moving our hand along our side and sweeping backwards. And then we got a bonus because those people right there from Florida actually got engaged underwater at about 10 meters. So they were at a big shark statue. We knew it was going to happen, so a bunch of us went over there and we witnessed their engagement, and she's been crying ever since. I don't know if she's happy or sad, but she's been crying. So you got anything to say, Kim? You did good, huh?
I did good.
You did better than me. All right, good for you. I'm happy for you. That means we can do this again then.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we got 2 more dives tomorrow. I'll see you in a bit. It's kind of busy at this time of the day. Boats coming in and boats going out. They have night dives going out. We're just returning. Pretty cool though, huh? These guys know how to drive these boats too, don't they? So I wasn't gonna make a big deal of our meal tonight, but I just got a papaya salad, which I ate about half of it right now, and it is unbelievable. I got a chicken fried rice, and that looks amazing. We got spring rolls. We have more coming, so I'm really looking forward to trying all the stuff that we have coming and sharing with you what the cost was. And this came highly recommended. This is a glass noodle salad, and we got shrimp. So it's glass noodle with shrimp. I don't know what that is. Why don't you try that thing, Kim?
Oh.
You gotta try it. I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
Try it.
either. I'm scared. I don't know what it is.
Was it bad?
No.
Okay, so glass noodle with shrimp. So we're starting day 3 of our PADI dive certificate, and we just checked out of our hotel. So our boat leaves at 8 o'clock. Or we need to be there at 7:45. It's 7 o'clock. So we just checked out of our hotel, but we're leaving our bags there. Now we're gonna head to breakfast. We're told there's a place down here called Coconuts that's really good. We'll eat real quick. We'll head to the boat. And we're going to a place called Chumpon Pinnacle or something like that. And they've been seeing whale sharks. I am gonna have my GoPro with me, but there's two things. I'm probably not gonna take it in the water with me because we are focusing on the skills and distractions might not be that good of a thing to happen. Second, the GoPro I have is a GoPro 6. It's good to 10 meters. And today we might actually be going to like 14 or 15 or 16 or 17 or 18 meters. And then the camera wouldn't work anyway. So if we see a whale shark, hopefully somebody else has a camera that they can maybe share their pictures with us. So keep watching. You'll see, hopefully, or hear if we see something like that. So we'll see you in a bit. It's really quiet around here at 7 o'clock as the town, I'm sure this town has a name, I don't know the name of the town, but as this town comes to life, really quiet. Doors starting to open, people starting to sweep, that's about it. So this might be the most challenging part of the whole trip, is getting on the boat. And today is the most challenging. You did it!
Oh, I did.
Were you scared?
Yes.
Were you more scared than scuba diving?
Probably, yes.
Yeah. So we're all done. We did our 6 dives, 2 open water dives today, and the next boat's going out with the next people starting their courses. So pretty exciting for them. And we'll share with you our ride back. I don't know if you can see the top of my head, but these boats are made for short people. I smashed my head, but aside from that, all's good. Like I said, getting on and off the boat can be a little challenging. Oh, it was the 3 of us. It was me, Alina from Germany, who is studying in Bangkok, and Kim. This was our group. And we all passed with flying colors. So we're making a long walk to the ferry. The long 5-minute walk. We just stopped for lunch at Coconut Monkey. If you're ever in the area, highly recommend it. We had hummus plate, falafel wrap. I had a fruit bowl that was phenomenal, and an iced tea. It was just awesome. So definitely recommend it. Huh, Kim? Yes? Yes. A lot of people at the pier today. A lot of people arriving and a lot of people departing. It has been a steady flow of people for about 10 minutes with no sign of it ending. There's a lot of people on that boat. Hi, Kim.